What's up, everybody? It's Kyle here at the Bigger Chrome Shop, and for this week's Spotlight, we're going to be taking a look at our Knoedler Seat Kiosk. So here I have our Power Chief, which is the one I'm currently sitting on, pulled up. Now, from this kiosk, you can actually build out your own seat. You can see there's plenty of options: arms, removable headrest. You can get the comfort headrest, heat and cool. You got this nifty 8 massage system, and let me tell you, it is pretty great. You can also get memory foam on the seat cushion, the swivel, and then you can also decide what kind of fabric that you want to make. So on this kiosk, you just build out your own seat, and then you would work with one of our salesmen. We would get it built out for you and ordered, and then you would be good to go. If you'd like to check out this seat or any of our other great products, go ahead and visit us at biggerchromeshop.com, and then don't forget to follow our Facebook and Instagram. Thanks.